Welcome to GeneralMind. Today our topic is about climate change.
We all know that global warming is one of the most pressing issues facing our planet today. And while some believe that it's too late to do anything about it, others are still hopeful that we can turn things around before it's too late. So what does the future hold for us? Will we continue to see rising temperatures, more extreme weather events, and rising sea levels? Or will we find a way to reverse this trend and create a more sustainable future for ourselves? According to the World Economic Forum, by 2030, we could see a 40% decrease in available freshwater resources. We're currently in the midst of the sixth mass extinction event, and climate change is one of the major drivers. According to a study published in the journal Science, we could see up to 60% of animals. It's clear that we're facing a serious crisis, but it's not too late to take action if we all do our part. We can still go down a different path and create a more sustainable future for ourselves and for the planet. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. And plant species go extinct by 2030 if global warming continues at its current rate. This would be a devastating loss for our planet, as it would mean the loss of countless species of plants, animals, fungi, and microorganisms. It would also disrupt the delicate balance of ecosystems around the world. This is due to a combination of factors, including rising temperatures, increased evaporation, and changes in precipitation patterns. For example, in 2011, severe drought in the Horn of Africa caused the worst famine in the region's history, resulting in the deaths of hundreds of thousands of people. According to a report by the United Nations, food shortages and famines are likely to become more common in the future as a result of climate change. By 2030, we could see a 20% reduction in crop yields in some areas, leading to widespread food insecurity. The countries and regions that will be hit hardest by water scarcity are those that are already facing water stress, such as the Middle East, North Africa, and parts of sub-Saharan Africa. But even areas that currently have plenty of water could face shortages in the future. In this video, we'll take a look at 5 predictions about the future of climate change and what they mean for us. Prediction No. 1. More extreme weather events. It's one of the most noticeable impacts of climate change. It's been the increase in the frequency and intensity of extreme weather events such as hurricanes, floods, droughts, and heat waves. According to a report by the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, or IPCC, this trend is likely to continue in the future. In fact, the IPCC predicts that by 2030, we can expect to see a 30% increase in the number of people affected by extreme weather events. This means that more homes will be destroyed, more lives will be lost, and more economies will be devastated by natural disasters. Prediction No. 2. Rising sea levels. Another major concern is rising sea levels, which also have the potential to cause catastrophic damage. As global temperatures rise, ice caps and glaciers melt, adding more water to the oceans. At the same time, rising temperatures also cause seawater to expand in volume. According to the IPCC, we could see sea levels rise by up to 8 inches by 2030. Which could have devastating consequences for coastal communities. For example, many low-lying islands could be completely submerged, forcing their residents to migrate. Coastal cities such as New York, Miami, and London could face massive flooding, displacing millions of people and causing billions of dollars in damage. Prediction No. 3. Widespread water scarcity. Water scarcity is already a problem in many parts of the world, but things are likely to get much worse in the future. Prediction No. For mass extinction. Prediction No. 5. Famine and food shortages. Climate change is already affecting food production in many parts of the world. These are just 5 of the many predictions about the future of climate change.